Hello, my name is Tom. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from England. Do you live here now?
Yes, I live here. I have a small apartment near the park.
Oh, nice. I live near the park, too. What street do you live on?
I live on Green Street, number 12.
I live on Oak Street. We are neighbors.
That is great. How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 2 years. What about you?
I moved here 3 months ago. It is a new city for me.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much. The people are very friendly.
That is true. Do you work here?
Yes, I work at a school. I am a teacher.
Oh, that is interesting. What do you teach?
I teach English. What about you? What is your job?
I am a chef. I work at a restaurant downtown.
A chef? That is so cool. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love it. I cook every day, at work, and at home, too.
I cannot cook very well. I always eat simple food.
Maybe I can teach you one day.
I would like that. Do you have a phone? Can I have your number?
Yes, of course. My number is 555-0192.
Thank you. I will send you a message.
It is very nice to meet you, Anna.
You too, Tom. See you soon.
See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hey, Jack, over here.
Oh, hi, Mia. Sorry I'm late. The bus was very slow today.
No problem. I just got here too. Did you have a good morning?
Not really. I woke up late and I missed breakfast.
Oh no. You must be hungry. Let's order something to eat.
Yes, please. What do you usually get here?
I always get a latte and a croissant. They're really good here.
That sounds nice. I want to try the hot chocolate. Is it good?
I don't know. I never tried it, but I heard it's very popular.
Okay, I'll get that. And maybe a sandwich too, because I'm really hungry.
Good idea. Let's go to the counter.
Excuse me. Can I get a hot chocolate and a tuna sandwich, please?
And I'll have a latte and a croissant, please.
How much is that?
Don't worry, I'll pay today. You can pay next time.
Are you sure? Thank you so much, Mia. That's really kind.
Of course. So how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
Yes! I went to the cinema with my brother on Saturday. We watched a new action movie.
Oh, nice. Was it good?
It was okay. The story wasn't very interesting, but the special effects were amazing.
I want to go to the cinema this weekend. What else is playing?
I'm not sure. We can check online. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and romantic movies. I don't really like horror.
Me neither. Horror movies are too scary for me.
Ha, same. Oh, look, our order is ready.
Great. I'm so hungry. This sandwich looks delicious.
Enjoy. And next time, don't miss breakfast.
I know. I need to wake up earlier. I'm going to set 2 alarms from now on.
Good plan. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Thanks again, Mia.
Alex, I've been thinking about taking a trip next month. Do you want to come?
I'd love to. Where are you thinking?
Maybe somewhere in Europe. I've never been to Italy, and I really want to go.
Italy is a great choice. I went there 2 years ago and I loved it.
Really? Which cities did you visit?
I visited Rome and Florence. Both were amazing. The food was incredible.
That's exactly what I want. Good food, nice weather, and beautiful places.
Well, Italy has all of that. When do you want to go?
I'm thinking the second week of next month. Does that work for you?
Let me check. Yes, I have some days off then. How long do you want to stay?
About 8 days? Is that enough time?
I think so. We can spend 3 days in Rome and 3 days in Florence. Then maybe 1 day somewhere smaller.
I like that plan. Have you heard of Siena? I read about it online. It looks beautiful.
Yes, Siena is lovely. It's a small city, but it has a lot of history. We should definitely go there.
Great. So how should we travel between the cities? By train or by bus?
The train is better. It's faster and more comfortable. In Italy, trains go between cities very quickly.
Okay, trains it is. Should we book the tickets now?
Yes, I think we should book early.
The prices are cheaper if you book in advance.
Good point. What about hotels? Do you have any recommendations?
Last time I stayed in a small hotel near the city center. It wasn't expensive, but it was very clean and the staff was friendly.
That sounds perfect. I don't need anything fancy. I just want a comfortable bed and a good shower.
Me too. Oh, and make sure the hotel has free breakfast. It saves a lot of money.
Good idea. I'll look for that. Is there anything important I should know before going to Italy?
A few things. First, bring comfortable shoes because you'll walk a lot. Second, try to learn a few Italian words. People appreciate it when you make an effort.
Like what?
Simple things. Grazie means thank you. Per favore means please. Dove means where is. Useful things like that.
That's helpful. I'll practice before we go.
Also, the restaurants close in the afternoon for a few hours, so don't plan to eat lunch at 3 o'clock.
Oh, I didn't know that. What time do they open again for dinner?
Usually around 7 or 7:30. Italians eat dinner quite late.
That's fine by me. I like eating late. Okay, this is getting exciting. Let's start planning properly this weekend.
Yes, let's meet Saturday morning and look at everything together.
Perfect. I'll bring my laptop and we can book everything.
Great. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It's going to be amazing. Hi, you must be the new person. I'm Lucy from the marketing team.
Hi, Lucy. Yes, I'm David. It's great to meet you. Today is my first day.
Welcome. How are you feeling? First days can be a little overwhelming.
A little nervous, to be honest. But everyone seems very friendly so far.
Don't worry. You'll feel comfortable very quickly. The team here is really nice.
That's good to hear. I wasn't sure what to expect.
So, what's your role here? I heard we were getting someone new for the sales team.
That's right. I'm going to be a sales coordinator. I'll be working with clients mostly.
Oh, perfect. We work together a lot then. Marketing and sales teams are very connected here.
That's great. I think it's important for those two teams to communicate well.
Exactly. At my last company, we never talked to the sales team. It was a big problem.
I know what you mean. I had the same experience before. Information never got shared properly.
It's much better here. We have a meeting every Monday morning where both teams get together.
Oh, that's a good system. I actually like Monday meetings when they're useful.
These ones are. They're short and everyone talks honestly. No long presentations.
Perfect. That's my kind of meeting. So, how long have you been working here, Lucy?
Almost 3 years now. I started as a junior and got promoted last year.
Congratulations. You must really like it here then.
I do. The work is interesting and the manager is very supportive. That makes a big difference.
It really does. I left my last job because the manager never gave any feedback. You never knew if you were doing well or not.
That must have been frustrating. Here, your manager will check in with you regularly, especially in the first few months.
That's reassuring. I learn much better when I get clear feedback.
Same. Hey, do you have plans for lunch today? A few of us usually eat together in the break room.
I'd love to join. I don't want to sit alone on my first day.
Of course not. We usually go at 12:30. Is that okay?
Perfect. Thank you for inviting me, Lucy.
No problem at all. It's important to know people outside of work meetings, too.
Absolutely. You get to know people better over food.
Okay, I need to get back to my desk, but I'll come find you at 12:30.
Sounds great. And thank you again. You've made me feel much more relaxed.
That's what I'm here for. See you at lunch, David.
See you then.
Chris, can I ask you something? What do you do in your free time?
Sure, I have a few hobbies. I really like photography, and I also enjoy hiking.
Oh, photography. That's interesting. What kind of photos do you take?
Mostly nature photos. I love going to parks or mountains and taking pictures of landscapes.
Do you use a professional camera or just your phone?
I have a DSLR camera. I bought it 2 years ago, and I've been learning how to use it properly ever since.
That sounds like a big hobby. It must take a lot of time to learn.
It does, but I enjoy it. I watch tutorials online and I practice every weekend. What about you? What do you like to do?
I'm into cooking. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, trying new recipes.
Oh, nice. What kind of food do you cook?
I cook everything, but I especially like Asian food. Thai and Japanese food are my favorites to make at home.
That's impressive. Asian food can be quite difficult to cook at home, right?
It can be. Some dishes need ingredients that are hard to find, but I found a good Asian supermarket near my house.
I love eating Asian food, but I've never tried to cook it. Maybe you can teach me one day.
I'd be happy to. It's not as hard as it looks once you know the basics.
I'll take you up on that. Do you have any other hobbies besides cooking?
Yes, I also read a lot. I usually finish 1 or 2 books a month.
Really? What do you like to read?
I enjoy historical fiction mostly, stories set in the past but with interesting characters. I find it a good way to learn about history without it feeling like studying.
That's clever. I don't read much. I prefer watching documentaries when I want to learn something.
Documentaries are great too. Have you watched any good ones recently?
Yes, I watched one about the ocean last week. It was about deep-sea creatures. Some of them looked like they were from another planet.
Oh, I've been wanting to watch something like that. What was it called?
I don't remember exactly. I'll send you the link later.
Please do. I could watch that this weekend.
Are you free this weekend? A group of friends and I are going hiking on Sunday. You should come.
Hiking? I haven't done that in years. Is it a difficult trail?
Not at all. It's about 2 hours, mostly flat, good for beginners. And the view at the top is really beautiful.
That sounds nice. What time are you going?
We're meeting at 9 in the morning at the car park near the main entrance.
Okay, I think I can make it. I'll need to find my old hiking boots first.
Huh. Good idea. Wear comfortable shoes. That's the most important thing.
I'll remember that. Thanks for the invitation, Chris. I think it'll be good to get outside.
Definitely. It's always better with more people. I'll send you the details tonight.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it.